Hello from the Ophthalmologist and welcome to our first Rising Stars event. For 10 years, we have been honouring the most influential people in the field with our annual Power List, arguably the single biggest media event in the ophthalmology calendar. This year, we expanded the roll call with the Power List Hall of Fame, highlighting those Power Listers who have had the most significant impact on eye care over their careers. Now we extend the scope of the Power List to ophthalmologists and scientists who are at an earlier stage in their journey. The Ophthalmologist Power List Rising Stars programme creates a connection between the luminaries featured on the Power List and in the Hall of Fame, with individuals who are making waves in the industry, despite their relative youth. Each of our candidates has been nominated by one or more of the Power List alumni. This shortlist was then honed by our editorial team to create the final lineup, 10 rising stars who are following their own paths, building on the work of their mentors and forging new connections to advance the world of ophthalmology. We will follow our rising stars as they navigate their way through the field, keeping a close eye on their achievements and welcoming their input as the ophthalmologist embraces a new generation of experts and leaders. Our roster of candidates will grow each year as we continue to seek out and celebrate these stars of the future. So now it is my privilege to introduce the Ophthalmologist 2023 Rising Stars. Please join us in congratulating them on their success and in anticipating their next career steps with excitement. In this video, we speak with 2023 Rising Star Lian Foo.
So hi everyone, I'm Lian Foo. I'm from Singapore and I work at Singapore National Eye Centre. Currently, I'm also a clinical assistant professor with the NUS Medical School. My main subspecialty will be in myopia and refractive, so I work a lot with children as well as adults. So I started off actually with an engineering background before I commenced on my medical school and subsequently had my ophthalmology training. So since my ophthalmology training, so far I've been involved a lot in childhood myopia management as well as refractive and cataract surgeries. So in particular, childhood myopia, it's a big problem in Singapore where almost close to 80% of our populations are myopic. And I really hope to be able to do something to treat this major issue that is currently affecting not only in Singapore, in Asia, but also the rest of the world, including Europe as well. So currently, I'm focusing on various childhood myopia control modalities and how each of the different combination of control modalities can help in slowing down the rate of myopia progression in children. Our main aim is actually to prevent high myopia amongst these individuals in order to prevent high myopia and hence prevent potentially blinding related complications later on in adulthood. This is one of our utmost priority at this point in time, considering the prevalence of high myopia is increasing and projected to even affect 50% of the world's population. In terms of my Optomic Hero, it is definitely Prof. Ang Tin, who is the current CEO of Singapore National Eye Centre, as well as the previous head of Singapore Eye Research Institute. He's actually very inspiring in terms of both clinical as well as research aspect, and I hope to emulate him in my career in advancing myopia treatment modalities through seeking innovative solutions, particularly in bridging the gaps between clinical practice and research. So the future of ophthalmology is currently driven by the rapid evolution of technology and our expanding, growing understanding of ocular diseases. In my opinion, telemedicine and remote monitoring will likely become our integrated in patient care, and this will ensure actually broader access to specialized treatment. The breakthrough in artificial intelligence, regenerative medicines, and even gene therapy can offer us unprecedented potential in terms of treating eye diseases. I think my main hobbies that I like to unwind outside work will be actually reading as well as traveling. So through reading, I gained a lot of insights from different perspectives, allowing me to change my view of how I manage patients as well as treating various diseases in terms of innovative solutions. In my opinion, solutions doesn't just come from medicine alone. There are various inspirations that I can seek outside the medical industry in various other industry and other inspiring people outside the field. I'd like to express my deepest gratitude for the pivotal role Prof. Saw Xiang Mei played in my professional journey. She's a true ophthalmic legend, not just an ophthalmic hero, inspiring and shaping the careers of many. I considered myself extremely fortunate to have had the privilege of learning from her and following in her footsteps. I want to express and emphasize the immeasurable impact that she had on my career. Prof. Saw embodies the essence of dedication, compassion, and visionary professionalism. Once again, I'd like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Prof. Saw Xiang Mei for being my guiding stars and motivating me to aspire to greater heights in the field of ophthalmology. Thank you very much.